Dane here from the Local Study Centre of Aberdeenshire Library Services. Here is part 6 of the podcast Aberdeenshire Witches. Enjoy.
Right. What I'm going to look at now, outside of Aberdeen as such, and a lot of these ones that were, if you like, in the rural area. Um, um, some of them were dealt with within the parish itself or within the rural community. In the rural areas, perhaps the most leading proponent would have been the kirk and the church. Um, they would have been the ones that would have taken the accusations, and that they would be the ones that would be pushing these accusations to a finality. In many cases, it would be death, execution. So what I'm going to look at here now is a number of the local areas, and the first one I'm going to look at is the Geary. And here in the Geary, there were a number of prominent women that were accused. One was Isabel Cocky, who came from Kintore. She was 32, and she was accused of being one of the women who had been involved in the dancing, involved with Janet Wishart's, the condemned witch, son, and so she was associated with that, and that was enough to get her convicted almost. She was also involved in some of the other things, and here you see these commonly these accusations are coming out that she made spells or cantrips, as they call them, chants or some sort of throw towards a neighbour who suffered again these tremblings and sweats. She was also very adept, and again you would think that a good thing today, understanding local herbs and plants, and how she could make cures. And again, this was frowned upon at this time. Remember, there was a lot of panic, a lot of fear. Why would you want to accuse a woman in the community, or stand up rather for a woman in the community who had just done some good in terms of providing some information or knowledge or a cure, a local herbal cure? It was fear. You did not want to be associated. You wanted to be a million miles away and not have anything to do with who's been accused, because even the merest hint of association could bring you into the possibility that you could be also involved in being tried, arrested, tortured. And under torture you say anything, anybody would, and therefore fear was the thing that kept many people from standing up, from these local women who were doing nothing more than being very valuable to the community. So Isabel Cocky was convicted because she went through that process I told you, and torture, and so she confessed. Isabel suffered the same fate of many others, and that she was taken in a cart to Heading Hill as a spectacle in front of many people. She was garroted or strangled, and then the whole pyre that she was on was set alight, and she was burnt.
That's the end of part 6. Please join me again for the next part of the Aberdeenshire Witches podcast. Bye for now.